Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today we are going to speak about as and man. So as you know, in Kurmanji, when people try to speak, when they start speaking, they always mix as with man or man with as. So today we are going to study about this topic. We will see the usage of as or man, why it is a or why it is man, and where they used and the examples. So if you are ready, we can start. Yes, so here, as you know, at the beginning I want to show you that in Kurmanji we have two kinds of pronouns. One of them is direct pronouns. It's called direct pronouns and it consists of as, tu, ew, hun, ew. Okay, these are direct pronouns, and as also is one of direct pronouns. Okay, and second group is oblique pronouns. When you see that you have to use oblique, just you have to put this man, tu, we, me, we, one. Okay, our list direct pronouns and oblique pronouns. So let's start the usage of these pronouns. For as and man. As, it is used when it is present tense. Okay, present. For example, when you want to say I'm going, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, I will go. You always you use these direct pronouns. As the chim, as the home, as ma mustama. It's always as. And you have to use these as with past tense, with intransitive verb. Okay, what is intransitive verb? Okay, intransitive verb, when you cannot ask the question of what, it will be intransitive. For example, you cannot say what did you fly, what did you die. You cannot ask. There is no answer for this, because fly and die and smile and come and go, all of them are intransitive. Okay, so that's why with past intransitive you have to use as well. So for men, it should be past tense with all past tense, doesn't matter, continuous perfect, past perfect, doesn't matter, all past, but with transitive verbs. Okay, so what is this transitive verbs? So transitive verb, when you can ask what, for example, you can say what did you read, what did you see, what did you love, because love and like to see, to eat, to read, all of them are transitive. Okay, in Kurmanji there are some exceptions. For example, in English it is transitive, but in Kurmanji it is not, but it is just a small of list. Maybe in future I can give you this list. So as and when this way. For example, so let's see some examples. Yes. For example, here you see the usage of as. We said it should be in present tense and in past tense with intransitive verbs. For example, you say as the chim. Okay, chewing, to go, it's an intransitive verb. And in the present you say as the chum, in the past as chum. Or as the kenim, kening is to smile. In present as the kenim, as is okay. And because it is intransitive, if you want to use in past, it will be as kenim, like I smile. For example, as the mirim, infinitive is mirin, to die, it is intransitive. So in the past it will be as mirim, because you cannot say, you cannot ask what did you die. Okay, it is no, you cannot say, it is impossible. And we have as tem, it's from hatten, infinitive. As tem, I'm coming. In the past it will be as hatten, because to come is an intransitive verb. Okay, and razan, it's to sleep. As radizm, razan because it is present. As razam, it is past because razan is intransitive verb in the past. Okay, so and for man, it is easier because man is just past tense with transitive. Okay, when you need oblique form, you will use this man. Okay, so for example, ditten, it's a transitive verb, to see. You can see something. Okay, I can ask you, what did you see? Okay, so mendit, I saw. Mendit, menjuan, it is juanden, to read. It's also transitive verb. You can ask, what did you read? It can be a book, a journal, newspaper. Okay, menjuand, menjuest, juesten, to want. You can want something. Menjuest, menzani, you can know something. Menzani, checkeren, to make, to prepare. You can say mencheker, menker, like I did. Keren, you can make, you can do something. Menkeri, it is keren, to buy. You can buy something, so it is transitive verb. And vekeren, to open, it is also transitive, and that's why you have to use men veker. So let me read these examples for you to learn pronunciation. Mendit, menjuand, menjuest, menzani, mencheker, menker, menkeri, menveker. Okay? So here, as you see, there are some examples. There are some sentences. I want you to put as or man to the blanks. Okay? So if you want, just you can stop the video here and you did exercise, and then you can check with me. Okay? So now it says dadadant chum dikane dadat kiloek sev kare. It means I went to the shop and I bought a kilo of apples. Okay, so chuin, as you know, chuin is the intransitive verb, right? You cannot go something. It's something. Yes, you can go somewhere, but it's not for transitive verbs. Okay, that's why chuin is intransitive. So it will be as chum dikane, I went to the shop. U dadant kilo except kri. It is kri, it is to buy kri. As you see, there are objects here, kilo except, accusative, like direct object, so you will use men kilo except kri. Okay. Next one, dadadant hatamale u dadadant brayhodit. Okay, it looks like hatten, I came home. Okay, hatten, it's intransitive, so it will be as. Okay, as hatamale, I came home, dadant, u min brayhodit. Okay, because ditten is transitive. You can see something. That's why min brayhodit. Okay. So the last one, there are some 5 exercises here. So again, if you want to make it, you can just stop video and do this exercise, and then with me check them. So 3. Dadadant doh لفيلم كي تماشاكر. Okay, تماشاكر is to watch. Even you can see there are film ki, a film, it is accusative, so you can say, you have to say من doh لفيلم كي تماشاكر. Doh means yesterday. Yesterday I watched a film. Okay, like I saw a film. لفيلم كي تماشاكر. تماشاكر is to watch. It is transitive. That's why من تماشاكر. Okay. Next one is par dadadant chum Japonia. Par means last year. Okay, chum, as you see, it is chuin, so it is intransitive. So it will be par as chum Japonia. Okay. Dadadant لسر grammar kurdi fikrim. Okay, here as you see, our verb is fikrin, to think, but in Kurmanji fikrin is not transitive. Okay, you cannot, in our mind, for Kurds, you cannot think something, you can think on something. That's why there is lisser, which means about, on. Okay, so that's why it will be intransitive. It will be as lisser grammar kurdi fikrim. I thought about Kurdish grammar. Okay. فكرين is intransitive in Kurmanji. Okay, never say من فكري. No, as فكرين. Okay, تفكري أو فكري هنا وفكرين in the past. As. So 6 درن عربية خو شوشتن is to wash. Well, you can wash something. Even we have عربية خو like his car, my car. I mean it's reflexive خو. عربية خو it is accusative. It means the direct object. It will be من عربية خو شوشت. Okay, like I washed my car. And the last one, دخونيدا as the frame. دخونيدا as the frame. دخونيدا means like in my dream. Okay, like in my dream, the frame, like I was flying. So the frame it is past continuous. The frame, but as I said in the beginning, like frame, marine, they are intransitive because you cannot say what did you fly, what did you die. Okay, frame is intransitive, so that's why it will be دخونا خدا as the frame, like I was flying in my dream. So as you see here, it is really easy to use. Just you have to be careful about this transitive or intransitive. As for present and past intransitive, and من is just for transitive for past. Okay, so I will share this note as a PDF note under this video, just you can check it. And then if you have any questions, any suggestions, whatever you don't understand, just you can ask me on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Discord, on YouTube. Just we're having 5 platforms. So and I want to thank you to my patrons who supports me on patrons. And if you want to just support me as well, I can share the link with you. Maybe you can support me, who knows. So thank you so much for today. It is enough, I think. If you have any questions, please write. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.